Okay guys, so today we are here in Pat's new truck.
Our new truck.
And we've been having issues with trying to get this DVD player to work. The screen stays black, the DVD player works, it's just, we have nothing on the screen. So we tried hitting source, we tried doing whatever we could to get the screen to come up, it stayed black, so we went and we found one that hopefully works. It did have a DVD in it while we were at the rec yard, so there is that. But all we need here is a 10mm socket, and there are 3 bolts. Make sure it's actually going the right way.
1, 2, 3.
Pat's here with the light for me so I can kind of see.
So we made some progress on the truck.
Some progress, some setbacks. We're getting somewhere.
So progress, we have everything we need for the front of the truck. The setback is we found another problem with the front end of the truck.
We fix one issue, we find another. We're getting there though.
Yeah. So what's our new issue we found?
The crash bar needs to be replaced.
Yep. After we picked up the headlight assembly.
The little thing that goes behind the grill that holds the headlights in.
Yeah.
The grill.
We have a grill.
We do.
We have the 4 lights.
We do.
Bumper.
Yeah, there's that. How far am I out here? I need to
So
go in.
all we're missing is just that crash bar.
Yeah.
And then whole front is back together. And then we get to work our way backwards. That's gonna be fun.
Yep. Oh, there we go. So these screws are pretty long. There's only 3 of them holding the whole unit up. As you see, 1, 2, 3, and then a trim plug.
Jen's not a fan of the leather seats.
They're slippy. And I think that one's out. It's hard to see what you're doing. It's a lot easier in the daytime when you're not underneath the tarp.
Well, it's that or the interior gets wet.
True.
Because,
That's a whole different issue.
yeah, that's that door right there. The rubber on it. I think it's the door itself not unlocking, because all the doors are unlocked. I look at the door over there, it's not unlocked.
Yeah, I think it's all related.
Oh, watch your head, honey.
I know, I'm trying to. I'm working with what I got for a light here, Pat's phone.
Hey, I'm shining right where you're working.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's where I need to see. Looks a little bit wet too. Might be why it's not working.
I still say it's with a sunroof.
So I'm not quite loose enough yet. It's starting to give from the ceiling a little bit. Told you they're really long.
So all it is they come out partial way, not all the way. And then you have to pull towards
The driver's side.
the driver's side.
As you can see by those hooks here.
Oh yeah. Jen figured it out when we were at the rec yard.
I did. I got mad. I just heaved on it. And I went,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that explains that.
Yeah, you did. Which was very interesting.
Some rage strength. So that's really loose. That one's really loose. That one's not.
I'm still impressed on how clean it turned out.
Did you just slide?
I did.
It's funny. Come on. Then I'm trying to like line this up blindly. That's right in the shadows. Got it. Thanks, honey.
I'm not helping.
No.
Pretty sure you can take it off the ratchet now.
Maybe. Still in there pretty good though. Losing my arm strength.
Yeah, but if you can do it by hand, you all you have to do is take off the extension. You know what I mean? I think it's pretty loose because you hear it go click, 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 though.
Yeah, but when you actually touch it, it doesn't go anywhere.
Could it be because there's no weight or there's no, like, you know...
No, it's just tight again. I think it's fighting with the little lock washer in the back.
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, it's not loose at all. We'll get there. So there is little lock washers that go in above the panel, and I think that's what it's fighting with, coming loose. Might need to put a little bit of pressure on that to actually get it out. Starting to come loose now.
I have adapters for drills. I just don't know where they are right now.
We clean up our toolboxes. We're not used to having clean toolboxes.
Yeah. Which is interesting because I just cleaned them out a couple days ago.
As I said, we're not used to that. I think that's why we couldn't find it.
That headliner needs to be clean.
Yeah. That's a whole different ballgame. Alright. So, those ones.
Hi, so Jen just pulled it down and it turned towards...
And you can see where it's supposed to. So
you need to pull towards you.
it wasn't buckled in.
You need to pull towards the driver's side. There you go.
Oh, nasty.
What? A dead mouse or something?
No, that's just mouse nest.
Oh. Okay, well, somebody's got to do something with the camera because I can't really hold this and hold the camera.
I'm holding this.
Okay.
But there is a clip right in here. Pat can see it from his side.
Yep.
Can you unclip it?
Is it just a pull clip?
Pull
or?
clip. We'll squeeze it.
Ah. Hi again. There we go. I can't do it.
Okay.
Hold the camera for a sec.
Whee! Hi. There we go. So it's this one here into the roof. That one right there. And that one should be squeezed down. And it's really wedged in there. With all the gruck and grime. You have a flathead?
I got a key.
There's a mouse turd holding it in.
Probably.
Oh dear.
Did you get it?
No.
I got hiccups again.
That sounds like a personal issue. You slide it towards you, give me a little bit more strength, a little more slack on the thing there.
Oh, sorry.
You want to hold this? One's not wanting to come out. It smells really bad.
Yeah, because it's all filled with mouse poo.
It smells like cat pee.
That too.
Holy fudge.
It's a battle.
So the other one was not this hard to take out. It was a lot cleaner.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna stop it here. We'll do a 2-part video, and I'm gonna get some tools because I didn't know.
We need a flathead to pull it.
Okay,
See you soon.
go.
I'm not getting it out.
So we're trying again.
I don't know why this one's so stuck. The other one we took out was literally just push it down,
Yeah, and pull.
pull it out.
That was interesting.
Did it one-handed.
Yep. Okay. So we're gonna pause it. We're gonna get it undone. We're gonna come back. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know we were recording because Jen didn't tell me anything. So to do this properly is you push down on this black piece, which goes down, and then you pull it. Gross.
That's nasty. But yeah, DVD player still worked. Whoop.
Huh?
But the DVD part still worked.
I don't care.
But this one is nice and clean.
Care. I don't care if it still worked or not.
So, we're gonna shove these parts into this little groove right there. Before we push it all the way in, we're going to re-plug it in.
Oh, I heard it click.
Yay! The fun part is going to be lining this up in the dark. Oh shoot, we put the socket.
I don't know. You got it lost.
In my lap somewhere.
Jen lost the socket.
No, I found it. Ugh.
It's on the ground. Alright, so we're gonna have to pop the DVD tray down. Yeah.
Just like that. Our biggest concern now is that the mouse may have chewed some wires because it looks like it's a little bit ratty. Put this over into righty tighty.
I'm more than sure you're not even close. So it's pretty much just reverse what you did. Right, Jen?
Uh-huh.
Doesn't feel like it's going in at all, huh?
Nope.
Alright, so I'm holding it up. Jen's trying to screw it in. We're going to come back with the end of the hopefully working in one piece. Bye bye.
So here we are. We just got it turned on. Car's an accessory. It's all hooked up. Put the CD in and voila. We are lucky. The mouse did not eat the bloom.
Is that the movie?
Nope, that's the radio. The movie is back here.
It is. Okay.
The movie should be back here somewhere. DVD, there it is. So you hit the source, comes up DVD.
Oh, put the DVD up here too.
That's your radio still.
You sure?
Yeah. Thing is here is I got 2 spots for headphones.
Huh. Okay, so here it won't do anything on my end then.
If you have DVD on yours, I think you can play a DVD from there onto back here.
So hit play, see if it works up there.
Alright, let's hit play. If I can find the play button. There we go.
Looks like I'm cleaning a truck again.
Yeah.
Is it playing?
It's playing. I just have no song because I think I needed a headphones.
Okay, well that's cool. You want me to get some earphones?
I don't think it's going to do anything. Because nobody else will be able to hear it, but we can definitely try it out with a pair of headphones. The program, seek, source.
There we go. Awesome.
We got DVDs.
Entertainment for the kids in the back.
And now you guys know how to replace that.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt.
There was no videos when we were looking for it. Unless we're looking under the wrong thing.
No, I looked on everything and I didn't find any information whatsoever. So, 10 mil, three bolts. Well, nuts, bolts, yeah, bolts.
Bolts.
And you pull it towards the driver, and it's one
Connection.
that goes into the ceiling.
That's it.
Hey, good job, Jen.
Alright, have a good one.